Welcome to Epithet Channel Free Subscriber. HTML image syntax. In HTML, images are defined with the img tag. The img tag is empty. It contains attributes only and doesn't have a closing tag. The XOR attribute specifies the URL web address of the image. The ALT attributes. The ALT attribute provides an alternate text for an image if the user for some reason cannot view it because of slow connection, an error in the SOC attribute is, or if the user uses a screen reader. The value of the ALT attributes should describe the image. Example: if the browser cannot find an image, it will be displayed the value of the ALT attributes. Example: note, the ALT attribute requires a web page will not validate correctly without it. Image size, width and height. You can use the style attribute to specify the width and height of an image. Example: alternatively, you can use the width and height attributes. Example: the width and height attributes always define the width and height of the image in pixels. Animated image. HTML allows animated GIF. Example: image as a link. To use an image as a link, put the img tag inside the a tag. Example: background image. To add a background image on an HTML element, use the VFF property background image. Example: to add a background image on a web page, specify the background image property on the body element. To add a background image on a paragraph, specify the background image property on the p element. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. Goodbye, good luck, see you in the next